Hi, I'm Terry Coles, the Portugal correspondent for International Living. Today I'm standing in front of this beautiful beach in an area called Quarteira in southern Portugal's Algarve region. You may not have heard of Quarteira. It's near the more expensive area called Vila Moura and Almancil. But it's a nice, flat, walkable town, beautiful beach, and a lot to do. So follow us around and I'll show you what Quarteira is all about.
The beautiful beach is divided up into little sections. You can see this one is Praia de Gaviota. Pretty rock formations. People are spaced out. Those people obviously came together. And only so many people are permitted on the beach each day. This is the pretty tiled promenade that runs along the coastline. Great place to walk, people watch, and enjoy the sunshine. It's the name of another beach there. Lots of high-rise condos, some with ocean views, plenty of green space. There's exercise areas along the beachfront. This is the meal of the day for €8.50. You can see the first one is salmon. Those chairs and umbrellas are for rent, and it's much easier than lugging your own from your parking space to the beach. But as you can see, some people do bring their own, so that's an option. The water here is fairly calm. Some areas of Portugal, it's rougher. Here's one of these exercise stations, and yes, ladies, you have to look at hunky guys with muscles and shirts everywhere. Lots of waterfront restaurants to suit all kinds of tastes. You can rent these little carts, bicycles. This little car, some of them you pedal. This one looks like it has a motor, so my husband said he could do one of those. He doesn't want to pedal one. This is a gypsy market that happens in Quarteira once a week. It has lots of good things. This is the daily fish market. Because there's so much coastline in Portugal, there's plenty of options to buy fish everywhere. Fresh, as you can see, it was just caught that day. Fruits and vegetables are grown locally and abundant throughout the country. They're affordable. We're vegan vegetarian, and the fruits and vegetables are just wonderful here. That's local honey, dried beans. The meat section, this is pork. Porco is pork. Novilho is veal, and next to it we have aves, which are birds. This is Continente Modelo, which is a large supermarket chain. This is a local public health clinic called A Saúde. And this is in the next town of Vila Moura. This is a private clinic. This is Faro Hospital, which is a private hospital associated with the same HBA group. And that's our tour of Quarteira. If you like what you saw and you'd like to know more about Portugal, click on the link for your free Portugal report below. Thanks for watching.